Once upon a time, there was a cute little dog named Daisy who loved to play in the beautiful flower field. Daisy would chase butterflies and roll in the soft grass, feeling the warm sun on her fur. One sunny day, she met other playful puppies, and together they had the best time in the flower field. They played tug-of-war with a colorful rope, while a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky above them. Daisy and her new friends decided to take a group photo, standing proudly in front of a giant sunflower. As the sun began to set, Daisy enjoyed a tasty treat, while her friends watched with hopeful eyes. When night fell, Daisy and her friends lay on the grass, watching the twinkling stars and the glowing fireflies.